Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Sonic Drive-In ordering app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Sonic app is a mobile ordering platform designed to make drive-in dining faster, easier, and more rewarding. Available on both iOS and Android, the app allows users to browse the full Sonic menu, customize their drinks and meals, and order ahead for car hop or drive-through pickup. It also includes the Sonic Rewards program, which gives users points for every purchase that can be redeemed for discounts, free menu items, and exclusive offers. The app's main feature is its order-ahead convenience. Users can select their preferred location, customize orders to the smallest detail, like drink mix-ins or add-ons, and check in once they arrive. The app automatically connects to the stall for fast and contactless service. It also displays real-time deals and happy hour discounts directly on the homepage, making it easy to save while ordering. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the app's easy navigation, quick check-ins, and accurate order tracking. The digital menu layout is clean, and the customization options are extensive, matching the variety Sonic is known for. The reward system and mobile-exclusive deals are another highlight for frequent customers. However, some users report occasional payment glitches, location mix-ups, or delayed stall recognition. These issues, while minor, can impact convenience during peak hours. In summary, the Sonic Drive-In ordering app may be worth using if you frequently visit Sonic, enjoy customizing your orders, and want to take advantage of mobile-exclusive rewards and discounts. However, if you prefer traditional ordering or experience connection issues at your local drive-in, it might not feel essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.